Hi everyone, my name is Samantha Bray. You can just call me Sam though. I am 22 years old and I was born and raised in a very small town on Long Island, about 3 hours from Widener's University. And I had graduated college last May. I had taken a year off with my sociology degree. Not gonna lie, I don't have much work experience with social work. I wasn't exactly sure what I wanted to do with my life up until very recently. And while I was in my undergrad studies, I had switched back and forth between all different kinds of career options, and it was a very confusing time for me. But now I have finally decided I'm going into pediatric oncology social work, which would be helping kids and their families who have cancer kind of deal with it and cope. I know it's something that would be very rewarding. My parents are kind of like, it's a little bit of tough job, but I think I can handle it. I've grown up working with kids with special needs at a camp in the summer and in the winters, all different ages, all different disabilities. My brother is also disabled. He is 29 years old. Um, and I've also, while I was in my undergrad studies, I had interned at a place called the Center for the Prevention of Child Abuse. It's in upstate New York, and it is a facility where we would go to different schools in the county and kind of teach grades K through 5 about the concepts of safe touching and family members and kind of what they should and shouldn't do to you and what's appropriate and what's not. Um, I've also traveled to South Africa where I have interned at a homeless shelter. That was something that was very rewarding for me. I have never worked with that group of people before, and I learned a lot from them. It was men and women that we worked with, and me and my partner had ended up getting to create a discussion with them, and we had made up a whole panel, and we got to learn a lot about kind of why they were there and what they are leaning, like what their goals are. Something that was amazing, and I would 100% do it again. I am so excited to start getting my master's degree. I will be the first person in my family to do this, which is really, really exciting. My parents are so happy. Something about me, I love to travel. Me and my family, we travel every year. We try to go somewhere new every year. We've been to a lot of different countries. This year we're going to Bolivia and Honduras actually this coming September, which is really exciting. And I'm so excited to really meet you all and get to know everyone.